Welcome back to another quick guide today. We'll walk you through best TikTok filters for girls. So for this topic, we have two methods for you. First method, using the Brew filter, also called as soft and aesthetic look. Once you open the TikTok, tap the plus icon, then go to 60 seconds to create a new video. On the recording screen, tap the filters icon, or the three circles on the right hand side. Navigate to the food section. This filter adds warm tones, a slight vignette, and a dreamy, polished look. Record or edit. Apply the filter by tapping the empty space and start recording. Or edit your pre-recorded video with it. Last method, using the S5 filter, also called a bright and vibrant look. Now, on your TikTok, tap the plus icon. Then go to 60 seconds to reveal the filter option, and either record or upload a video. Now tap the filters icon and navigate to the portrait category. Choose the S5 filter. This filter adds bright, glowing effect to your face while enhancing colors, perfect for a cheerful and vibrant vibe. Adjust and post. Adjust the intensity of the filter if needed, and post your video. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.